No. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I really hope that you all are fine. In this video, you will see very beautiful and very pretty crochet related home decoration items. Have you ever noticed how a few handmade crochet pieces can completely change the feeling of a home? Crochet home decor is no longer just a hobby. It has become one of the biggest interior design trends because it brings warmth, personality, and timeless beauty to everyone. Imagine walking into a living room with a beautiful crochet thread wrapped over the sofa, elegant cushion covers, and a handcrafted table runner. These simple details instantly make the space feel cozy and welcoming. Crochet home decor offers endless creative possibilities. You can make stylish wall hangings, plant hangers, storage baskets, lampshades, coasters, placemats, dollies, blankets, curtain, tie bags, and even decorative pillow covers. Every piece is unique because it is made with care, stitch by stitch. One of the best thing about crochet is that it matches every decorating style. Whether your home is modern, farmhouse, boho vintage, or minimalist, there is crochet design that fits perfectly. Soft neutral colors create a calm atmosphere, while bright colors add energy and brightness to any room. Handmade crochet decorations are also a wonderful way to reduce waste. Leftover yarn can be transformed into beautiful accessories instead of being thrown away. Small yarn scraps can become colorful coasters, mini baskets, flowers, or festive ornaments. Crochet projects are not only beautiful, they are practical too. Storage baskets help organize everyday items. Table runners protect furniture while adding elegance, and blankets provide comfort throughout every season. Many people also choose crochet home decor as thoughtful handmade gifts. A crochet basket, pillow cover, or, or decorative wall hangings carries a personal touch that store-bought items decorations simply cannot replace. The best part is that crochet never goes out of style. Every season brings fresh color combinations and exciting stitch patterns, giving crafters endless inspiration to create something new. Which crochet home decor item is your favorite? Is it cozy blankets, elegant dollies, stylish baskets, or modern wall hangings? In my next video, I will give you many other different and unique ideas. Have you ever wondered why handmade crochet home decor is becoming more popular every year? In a world filled with factory-made decorations, people are choosing handcrafted pieces because they add warmth, creativity, and personality to every corner of the home. Crochet is more than just yarn and a hook. Every stitch tells a story. That's why handmade crochet items never lose their charm. They become part of a home's memories and create a welcoming atmosphere that guests instantly noticed. Today's crochet trends are exciting and full of fresh ideas. Large textured blankets are replacing ordinary throws. Modern geometric cushion covers are giving sofas a stylish new look. Elegant table runners are turning everyday dining tables into beautiful centerpieces. Even simple crochet coasters can make a coffee table look more sophisticated. Another growing trend is crochet wall decor. Instead of buying expensive artwork, many people are decorating their walls with handmade crochet mandalas, floral wall hangings, and colorful garlands. These pieces add texture and create a peaceful, artistic feeling that cannot be achieved with ordinary. Plants and crochet are also becoming the perfect combination. Hanging crochet plant holders allow indoor plants to become part of the decoration while saving valuable space. Whether it is a small kitchen, a cozy bedroom, or a sunny balcony, crochet plant hangers bring life and elegance to every area. Storage is another place where crochet shines. Handmade baskets are not only attractive but also practical. They can organize yarn, toys, cosmetics, books, towels, or office supplies while adding a soft decorative touch. Functional beauty is one of the biggest reasons crochet continues to grow in popularity. Color choices also make a huge difference. Neutral shades like beige, cream, etc. create a calm and modern look. Bright colors such as mustard, teal, olive green add energy and make crochet pieces stand out as decorative accents. One wonderful thing about crochet is that every season offers new decorating opportunities. So if you like my video, if you love crochet, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Which crochet home decor project would you like to make first? A stylish basket, planter hangers, and different designs. In my next video, you will see many other different ideas. Thanks for watching.